Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find Morpho wallet address on Binance. So Morpho just get list on Binance spot, and if you want to transfer your Morpho token from other wallet or other exchange, you need Morpho wallet address on Binance. So I will show you how to find it step by step, so make sure you watch this video until the end. So first you can open your Binance apps and go to your asset in the bottom right corner here. And then as you can see, there is advanced here, you can click it. And there is on chain deposit, you can click it. And then in the search box here, you can search Morpho. This one, you can click it. And there are two network, Base and Ethereum. It's up to you. Let's say I want to choose Base. And this is my Morpho wallet address on Binance. And if you want to transfer your Morpho token, make sure it's the same network. If you choose Base, you have to transfer to Base network, because otherwise your token will be gone. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.